Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on private browsing on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to open the settings and just simply have to scroll it down and just simply have to update your device. Once it's done for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone. Like I'm opening here Safari. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on this one. You can see here are the tabs. So just simply you have to tap on this one. Now I have opened 4 tabs here. So how can you turn on private browsing? Just simply you have to scroll to the right side like this. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on done. Here you can see guys, just simply have to tap on done. Now it's done. From here, private browsing. Safari is designed with a privacy in mind by preventing tracking by defaults. So you can search anything here. So let me show you here guys. I have searched for this. So you can also turn off by tapping on that and just simply you have to tap on this one. Now it's done from here guys. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.